Ganapati Bappa Moria, Mangal Murti Moria. So, hello everyone. This is my vlog that I'm creating to share my experience for visiting Lal Bagh Raja, Mumbai for the darshan. And this is my first time ever in my life that I'm visiting for Lal Bagh Raja. So, I just thought I should capture and share with you guys as well so that it might help to the people who is seeking for Bappa's darshan and some guidance for this year. So, if you see my vlog in this way, there are many multiple gate. Oh, now you can see the similar gate, and this was a day 5 when I have visited the Charan Sparsh Darshan. So if you see the crowd, these are very less crowd that you can see on day 5 because many localites they say that on this day, the people who are keeping Bappa, so majorly they are doing their Visarjan. When you see all of this decoration, and this is the one which I have zoomed in as well for you guys. So this is for the VIP darshan. So for those who don't know, there are two type of darshans that we get for Lal Bagh Raja. One is Charan Sparsh and another is Mukh Darshan. So the difference is in both of these is in Charan Sparsh you will be able to get touch the feet of Bappa, while for the Mukh Darshan you'll just have a 5 or 10 minutes to see Bappa's face. So that is up to you, whichever line you want to choose. So since this was my first time I was visiting, so I opted for Charan Sparsh. So you have to keep walking, and there is no such board or any sign that has mentioned anywhere to take left or right turn. So the best way is to ask the volunteer that they were standing, and they are really very helpful. They'll guide you the direction. So you just have to keep walking straight. Just keep walking with patience, and you will see a yellow board that is mentioned Charan Sparsh Darshan with an arrow marked. So you can follow that arrow and just keep walking straight, and then take left turn towards the Vrindavan restaurant. So I have attached a pic for your reference. Those who are coming, they can have a landmark, and you can just ask somebody who can help you for Vrindavan restaurant. And from there, you just have to keep walking straight, and you will reach the entry point. So once you'll reach the entry point and you'll enter the pandal, which they have prepared. So the first thing you have to do is the security check-in, where you have to just give your bags or anything that you're carrying with you. They'll just scan you just to make sure everything is fine, and then they'll let you in. And once you keep coming, then they have created some like pathway that you have to just follow the zigzag path. There might be a few staircases that you have to walk along the way, and then you reach to the main queue where the queue starts. So we arrived the main gate from where I have started my vlog. We arrived around 10:30 or 35 maybe, and then from there till main security check-in line where we have done the security check-in, it was around 2.5 kilometers, and by the time we reached to the queue, the main queue, it was 11. So yeah, that much approx time it took for us to reach to the main queue. From 11 we started our line, and there are a few like barricading or a zigzag line they have created which you have to follow the queue, and accordingly you will go. There are volunteers who is monitoring the queue, but yeah, you have to keep waiting. So we started at 11, and then to the main pandal it took around 4 or 5 hours to reach the main pandal. And in between that line you will get everything whatever you want. So guys, basically these tracks are created just to manage the crowd. So it's like a zigzag line. Okay, so you just have to walk straight, keep walking in the line, don't break the line. And जहाँ तक भी देखोगे you will see the queue only. मतलब you will not see the end. Line कहाँ खत्म हो रही है. You won't be able to see that. It's that long queue. So in each line it took around 1 hour for us to complete. And then the securities, those who are volunteering there, they'll just stop you after like 20 or 30 people. They'll let you go. So they are releasing you in batches. So अगर 20 30 people are going forward, then they'll put the barricade, and then you can't move. The line, another line has to wait. So like that they have managed the crowd. But रात भर मैंने 11 PM को start किया था, and then it took entire night. Like in morning 5 or 6 I went to pandal, right, inside the pandal. But entire whole night you will get the snacks. Whatever you need you will get that, like water, cold water, and then chai, vada pav, cold drink, samosa, idli, whatever you guys want. They keep serving. Obviously you have to pay for it, but yeah, you can buy and you can be aware. Yeah, it was fun, but it was tiring too. So yeah, this is how I reached inside the pandal. Once you reach inside the pandal, if you see, I've shown you the crowd how they are going, and because this year in 2025 it was sponsored by Jio, so you will see everywhere the advertisement boards are holding, and then they'll give you free water. I think inside the pandal they'll give you free chai, water, and other stuff like biscuits and promotional things. Like हम एक heel crack भी मिला था, we got one spray also, like that, you know. ऐसा कुछ promotional चीजें हैं वो दे रहे हैं, and then obviously you get water, and as much as time you want to take you can take, as many bottles you want to take. And once you go inside the pandal, you'll get chairs to sit. Okay, so after standing from like for 5 to 6 hours, then finally we get a little relief to sit on the chairs. But yeah, but since we were so tired, and by the time we reach inside the pandal, it is already morning 6. So we all were almost half sleepy at that point in time, and that also took around 4 or 5 hours for us to reach to that main staircase. जहाँ वो बापा के दर्शन के लिए मेन स्टेयरकेस आता है, वहाँ तक भी मुझे हमें जाने के लिए. सो आई रीच इन द पंडाल अराउंड 6, एंड दर्शन वाला जो मेन लाइन था वहाँ तक स्टेयरकेस जाने के लिए it took around, like it was 11, so that much time it took. And there was one time around 1 आरती happened, so everyone whoever was there in the line, हम सबने आरती ली, मतलब किया pray, and then फिर से line start हुई. But trust me guys, the line was moving very slow, like really slow. And then from that, Aarti, it started like finally we reached Bappa around 4. So that time we did the Charan Sparsh. So it took me around 18 hours to complete Lal Bagh Darshan, Charan Sparsh, specifically Charan Sparsh. And they won't even give you 5 seconds to touch the feet, okay? So you have to be really quick. You can't take the photo. They'll snatch your phone, and these people are like, the crowd is so huge that they'll just, throw you out. So you have to be really quick if you want to do the Charan Sparsh. And you have to be very vigilant with the crowd. So, because when you are going in a queue, because you are in the commoner line, okay? And there are also people coming in middle of your line because they are from the VIP darshan category. So, as I told you in starting only, there is a VIP darshan. So, people will come in queue in middle and they'll stop the commoner line queue. वो लोग रोक देते हैं और वो उनको वीआईपी वालों को ही जाने देते हैं. तो उसकी वजह से हमें और डिले होता है. एंड देन अगेन पीपल सेड कि कुछ सेलिब्रिटीज आ रहे हैं या मिनिस्टर्स आ रहे हैं, देन अगेन यू हैव टू स्टॉप बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली दे आर वीआईपीज एंड उनको पहले दर्शन कराते हैं. तो कॉमनर लोग लाइन इसलिए बहुत लेट हो जाती है. इसलिए मुझे 18 आवर्स लगे. एंड आई थिंक प्रोबेबली 18 आवर्स भी शायद मैं जल्दी पहुंचूं. लोगों को 24 आवर्स भी लगते हैं. So yeah, this is my entire experience of Charan Sparsh for Lal Bagh Raja Mumbai this year. I just want to close this with a few quick tips that I want to give. So if you're planning to go for Charan Sparsh, plan for day 5 because usually people say we'll get a less crowd on day 5. And yeah, thank you for watching my vlog. Bye.